Hello all, welcome to Modules Institute of Technology. Today day 16. Today's session we are going to be discuss about Ansible Vault. Okay, well, let's get into the topic. So what is Ansible Vault? Ansible Vault is a feature of the Ansible that allows you to keep sensitive information or data such as a password or encrypted file rather than a plain text or a values. So this Ansible wallet offers us to the feature which enables to keep our data or our playbook or a file or a password file which going to be help us to keep secure and safe. Okay, so which you can you can keep some password file somewhere else and then you can pass your Ansible password file. So you can create own inventory file and then you can pass the inventory file where that inventory file you can save as a your username and password. So the validation is we are already the Ansible is secure layer. Still we are adding one more secure layer to the Ansible. Okay, let's move on to what are the we can do with Ansible vault. You can create a vault view. You can create a Ansible vault file with encrypted format. You can view encrypted. You can view the encrypted file. You can edit the encrypted file. You can decrypt the encrypted file. You can encrypt an encrypted file, and you can ask. So using when you have a playbook with password. So with you have applied vault, then there you can. We are going to discuss about in hands-on how hyphen ask the vault password we are going to be passed to the particular layer. Okay, and we are sorry hyphen vault password which how through your file how we are going to be achieve these parameters. Okay, let's moving to the next slide. Using Ansible wallet, we are going to be use how in the Ansible how we are going to implement the Ansible vault, and then how we are going to be encrypt and decrypt the variables, encrypt and decrypt the files, re-encrypt the data, and using multiple vaults. Okay, these are the things we are going to be discuss about today. Let's move on to the hands-on. Okay, so let me increase my font size. Okay, clear. Let me move to the Ansible directory /etc/Ansible. Okay, so first I like to create a vault file. Okay, how to create a vault file? The command Ansible -vault create. I like to give a file name here to creating a Ansible vault. I like to give file name as a give test. I like to give some file name as a vault. So no, I'll give some other file name as a test underscore playbook .aml. So you can see here it's prompting a password. Okay, let me give a password. I'll give a password as a 123. Your wish, you can give whatever the password you want. Okay, let me write something. Ansible Let me save this file. Clear? So I like to let me read this file. Cat testing. The name I have given. The file name has been testing underscore playbook. Cat capital T. Yeah. Sorry. Cat. I missed a. .yaml. So you can see here, notice you can have Ansible encrypted data. So we have encrypted this data. No one can view this data. How to view this file? For that, Ansible here, Ansible vault, Ansible vault view. That's a mistake. Wonderful. Ansible. There is a typo. What is the typo? I have given VAULT instead of VALT. I have given, I made a typo here, so that is the reason here it is not showing. So let me on, I'll just supply the password. Yes, you can see this is how you can view this file. Okay, so how to edit this file? Okay, Ansible hit vault edit. So password. So it allows me to edit the file. This is a new line added in this file. Save. Let's view again. Yeah. Password. Yeah, you can see here, this is how you can edit this file. Okay, so how to decrypt this file? Ansible -vault decrypt the file. The file has been, you can see, is successfully decrypted. Okay, let me read the file now. Cat testing. I'm not applying any password. Again, how to encrypt this file? Vault -encrypt it again successfully encrypted. Let me validate. Cat testing playbook. See, it got validated. Okay, how to change the password? Well, vault rekey so let me give the old password. The new password I'm going to supply. Rekey successfully. This is how you can change the password in the Ansible wallet files. Using Ansible wallets, this is how you are going to be create your file. You can edit your file. You can view the file, and you can encrypt your file and then decrypt your file. Using this, you can so regenerate the key. You can change the password as well. How we are going to be implement this in our playbook? Let me validate. Yes. Let me take any one of the script and then or so I like to take variables playbook. Yes. Here. Playbook. Variables playbook. Yes. This is the playbook already. It's going to be run the playbook. Yes. This is how we are going to be. So how to change this one as a password? Okay. Let me give a password to this particular playbook and we can see. Okay. So let me give a encrypt this particular file. -vault then encrypt this playbook. I'm going to set some password for this playbook. Okay, now let me execute this playbook. Because it got encrypted, it will not able to decrypt. How to execute this playbook? For that, here Ansible playbook -ask -vault -pass. So I have made a small mistake in that. Play F1 play playbook space playbook name ask -vault Let me validate why this is a command, why it's not executing. Let me validate this. So I have given the Ansible usage on. Okay. So it's prompting for my SSH password. So given another. Yes. So this way we can give supplier SSH password. Here. Hyphen vault. There is a typo. I like to figure out that one. Clear. So let me decrypt the file and try again. Ansible wallet AULT vault decrypt variable the password. Let me execute the playbook. Ansible -playbook .yml. Yes, my script is absolutely fine. Let me regenerate a password for this. Ansible -vault key variable. So because already the password is not there, that is the reason it's not accepting. Clear. Let me try in another way. Ansible vault or Ansible playbook variable hyphen ask hyphen pass. I think I am making some mistake on vault typo. Ansible is -playbook variables hyphen ask hyphen VULT hyphen. Yes, now it's prompting. I have made a here as a mistake repeatedly. That is the reason it's throwing an error. Okay, let me execute. This is how you can implement the password to your playbook. How to remove the encrypted one from this password to this particular file. Ansible playbook. Sorry, Ansible vault decrypt variable playbook. Oh, I keep making a mistake in the vault. So I'm going to supply the password. So this is how the input is not valid. So I given the variable the encrypt. I given a wrong password. Let me try again. So I forgot the password. Let me regenerate the key. Key Yes, this is not input file, not encrypt other data because the yeah. So if once the forget the password, you can't roll back this one. This is how you can set the playbook password. Okay, thank you. Uh, that's all about that, about the hands-on today. Let me recall, let me summarize what we have discussed about today. We have created a vault file and encrypted format, and we have how to we are going to be encrypted file, how we are going to be view the file, and we have done hands-on. We have seen how to edit an encrypted file, how to decrypt your file, how to supply a password using hyphen ask wallet password, how to give a if you apply for a playbook for an encrypted file, how to we are going to implement this. We have discussed that hyphen password for we are going to be supply our SSH password as well. How these the things are we are going to be implement in the wallet. This is adding one more secure layer to our playbook. So we have used our Ansible vault, so encrypted and then decrypted our variables and then files and then re-encrypted the data and then used in the multiple formats. Okay, thank you. That's all about the day.